Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 89th video on my Python series, and in this video we are going to see about membership test, how we can perform a membership test in different data structure by using the control statements. So let's start. I have some slides regarding that. I have already written some examples. Suppose these are the variables I have with me. At first I have the set type, this is the string type, this is the tuple type, this is the list type, this is the set type, and this is the dictionary type. And I want to check whether a particular element is present inside this data types or not. I can use the control statements if statement to check it. So let's do that. Suppose I want to check if hello in strg1, then I can do print. I can write simply present, else I can do print not present. Here you can see it is checking inside the string data structure. Here hello world I have, hello is present inside that, that's why it's giving me present. Suppose I am checking space here, let's see, space is also present inside it. Suppose I want to check wo alone, so wo alone it's present. Suppose I am checking wa, so wa is not present inside the string 1, that's why it is giving me not present. Let us check in string 2. String 2 also wa is not present. Let's check 2 to whether it's present or not. So to is present inside string 2, that's why it is giving me present. So what is the meaning of membership test? Whether this particular element is the member of the variable or not. If it is not the member, it will go to else statement, and if it is the member, then it will execute the if statement. So here I am using in operator to check the membership. So let us do the same thing for tuple. So if I am checking 5 in tple1, then I'm just printing present, else I'm printing not present. So here you can see 5 is present inside my tuple, this tuple I am referring, that's why it is giving me present. Let us give some different number. So if you give 10, 10 is not present inside my tuple, that's why it is giving me not present. Let us do that for tuple 2. I can also pass any type of argument here. Suppose I am passing L. L is not present inside my tuple 2, that's why it is giving me not present. So same fashion I can also check inside the list also. If let's check hello first. If hello in lst1, then print it's present, else print not present. So in this way I can also do in case of list also. So same thing we can do for tuple and set and dictionary also. So let us do that for set. Suppose I have set 1, so you can see hello is present inside my set, that's why it is giving me it's present. The same thing also we can do for dictionary. I have to pass the iterable as my second parameter to in function, then it will check in that particular iterable. So it is giving me error here, print is not defined. So here you can give print here. So it is not present, hello is not present inside my dictionary, that's why it is giving me not present. If the condition is getting false over here, then it's coming to else statement. So the in parameter returns true or false. If the condition is true, then it will return true. If the condition is not satisfying, then it will return false. So in operator is used specifically for membership test, whether a particular member is present inside that iterable or not. If you want to find out, then you can use the in operator in that case. So friends, this is all about how you can test whether a particular element is present inside a iterable or not by doing the membership test. We can use the in operator for doing that operation. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.